Uncertainty has been the theme of the world right now. Every single human is experiencing the same feelings about this arising consciousness. What is really happening in this crazy world right now? Every single aspect of our life is truly unclear. The future seems to be unpredictable at all. We feel like there is no resolution and we are at the mercy of the world. We feel hopeless. Maybe we think that we should become certain and just figure it out, but the exact solution is the opposite. If we try to become certain and try to find an answer, we begin to resist the uncertainty and will get burned out no matter how hard we try. So, how do we deal with uncertainty? By releasing the resistance to it and by embracing it. I can't not talk about the fundamental Buddhism teaching, which is anicca, impermanence. Anicca is also the foundation of meditation. Our breath is always changing, just like a river. The only thing that is certain is the uncertainty. What a beautiful and liberating mantra to really embody in life. Let that wisdom penetrate into every fiber of your being. It's like an anchor of life, knowing that everything is always changing. When we embrace uncertainty, we go with the flow of life. Our boat is always go according to the tide that eventually will bring us into the best place ever. If we resist the flow, we can't create because we are in the opposing vibration to the what is. It's like we want to go up high with the hot air balloon, but we don't want to release the sandbag. We can't go anywhere. Another example, if you want to manifest money and abundance, but you always think that you are not smart enough, you blame the COVID, thinking that it's even harder this day, how can the money comes? Sometimes I also slip into this low vibrational energy. When this happens, I ground myself back to the 0 point. Knowing that every feeling is just consciousness trying to express itself. Everything is changing. Everything is anicca. How can we go forward with uncertainty? The first thing we can do is dive deep into the feeling of uncertainty. Be with it, breathe with it. Don't try to seek for solutions. Live by this truth. Everything that is happening right now is supposed to be happening. Why? Because it is the experience we are having right now. It is opening a field to see why and how it's related to our own wound and trauma. This is not the cause of our own suffering. The cause of our suffering is the thought that this should not be happening. The uncertainty is not the problem. The problem is how we perceive and react to the uncertainty. The divorce is not the problem. The problem is how do we react to it. Do we blame our partner and parents, or seeing this as a detour because the universe has a better partner and plans for us? This is a really wonderful moment for humanity because we are forced to change and to let go of our suffering and surrender more. Ask yourself, what are you afraid of the unknown? We are not afraid of the unknown. We are afraid of what we are projecting into the unknown. What is the unknown contains? Let go of all the attachment of how the outcome should be or look like. Surrendering it all to the universe. Knowing that the universe always knows what is best for us, the universe way may be totally different from what we think. Practicing gratitude is also a great practice to do instead of negative snowballing. It is as simple like, I'm grateful for my morning coffee this morning. Because coffee wakes me up in a nice way. Coffee is my happy elixir, and I'm very grateful that I can make my own coffee today. I'm grateful for my strong leg that always supports me while exercising, driving my car, walking in my garden. I will show love for my legs by immersing it in warm salt water with essential oil. There is so much to be grateful for. Even if you are very poor and sick, there is always something to be grateful for. The abundance of the sun, the singing of the birds, the random people who smile at you. Plenty. Make this as a practice every day till it becomes your DNA, and you don't even have to think about it. It flows naturally from you. See the beauty in uncertainty. The ego always wants to know everything. Ego thinks that if we know everything, we can prevent pain. So, cultivate curiosity and make the word maybe become your wisdom while dealing with difficult situations. Be still in the middle of uncertainty. Let the mud settle so we can see clearly. Instead of finding the solution, we let the solution come to us. Awareness and meditation is the key here. Question everything about your belief. What can I learn from this? Seeing this from third-person perspective will help instead of spiraling down and become the victim. Someone says that the kids' song Row Your Boat is a wisdom song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream means that we should navigate our boat or life slowly and gently according to the flow. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream means be happy, cheerful, in alignment with your inner self, because life is just a puzzle, a tiny fragment of our wholeness, a game that we unconsciously create. The universe of our higher self will always guiding us, even if we have to go through hell. The hell is our training ground. It will make you unstoppable. Yay! Having said all of that, do you have a different response to the whole world now? Will you choose another way to live your life? In The Power of Now, Eckhart says that only 3 things we can do while dealing with a difficult situation. Number 1. Completely accept it without any resentment or hatred. Number 2. Do something about it. Number 3. Remove yourself from the situation. Life is actually simple, but our complicated mind infused with unresolved trauma makes life is so much difficult. We don't realize that we create our own hell and yet still blame others because of our creation. How much madness is that? So, this is a very perfect time to change, to look what is beyond the veil of separation between human. We are always presented with the lesson we need every moment, but instead of contemplating on it, we distract it, we shove it down. The future is not certain for any of us. The only thing that is certain is this Four Cheese Lasagna. Yay! accidentally cut my finger while grating the mozzarella, yet I'm still grateful because the cut is not too deep, considering that I'm quite paranoid to see my own blood. That's why I just ripped the mozzarella chunk size. This is the last layer of lasagna. I used to fold the edges inside so it won't pop up dry. I really love lasagna. When I eat it, the world seems to stop for a while. I'm literally enjoying every layer of the cheese and the meat sauce dancing in my mouth. This is a celebration for me. I celebrate myself by making this scrumptious dish. I celebrate the nothingness, the beauty in it. Until I explore the pain inside me, now I'm able to seek pleasures in simple things in life. Simple things. Seek beauty in uncertainty. Dance with it. Find orgasm in every breath and every act you do. It is always the simple thing in life. Always. Look at this gorgeous layer, a beautiful manifestation of time and love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I will be very happy to make more. Thank you and goodbye.